Hey guys, what's up? So today we're making a form of birria tacos. We're using pork. I got a pork shoulder on sale for $8.35 for an 8.6 pound pork shoulder. All right. So we got onions. We're gonna use about 10 cloves of garlic, jalapeno peppers, chili peppers, cilantro, and all of our seasonings. Let's go. All right. So that it cooks faster, we're gonna go ahead and cut this up, put it into smaller pieces. Cut up. Now it's time to put all the fixings in. I'm adding 1.5 onions. We're gonna add our cloves of garlic. I've added a few jalapenos and a few ounces of chilies. Half a tablespoon of salt. Tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of cumin. Add 3 carrots. We got 12 ounces of tomato paste. Half tablespoon of black pepper. I'm gonna whisk in some tomato bouillon. Go ahead and pour in that bouillon. Now we're gonna let it cook on a medium to low heat for about 4 hours. Now it's time to separate the meat from the vegetables. All right, so now I'm gonna separate the vegetables so that we can get that in there and make a good puree. While you're waiting on it to strain, go ahead and shred that meat. Woo, that's hot. Should just fall apart just like that. Look at that. All right, now we're pouring the vegetables into the blender. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and make that into a puree. All right, so now I'm gonna add the puree back into a pan and heat it up a little bit. Adding a little bit more of that juice. All right, now we're gonna add the juice from our limes. I'm gonna add an onion and about a cup of cilantro. All right, so now we're gonna take our tortilla, dip it around in that broth. We got us a nice little skillet here with some oil in it. Ooh. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little bit of meat, put it right down here in the middle of it. Put whatever kind of cheese you like on that. Some of our puree right over the top. All right, so we got our first taco. Dip it in the dipping sauce. Oh my God. One of the best tacos I've ever had in my life. Cheers.